2024 Best First Motorcycle for Beginners Kawasaki Ninja 400R. In the vibrant world of motorcycles, the 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 400R emerges as an exceptional choice for beginners, seamlessly blending sporty design, spirited performance, and approachability. Recognized as one of the best first motorcycles for those stepping into the realm of riding, the Ninja 400R exemplifies Kawasaki's commitment to crafting machines that cater to riders seeking an ideal balance of learning-friendly features and the exhilarating experience of a sport bike. In 2024, the Ninja 400R continues to capture the hearts of entry-level riders globally, standing as a symbol of confidence-building, dynamic rides, and the joy of mastering the art of sport-oriented motorcycling on two wheels. 1. Sport bike aesthetics with aggressive styling. The Kawasaki Ninja 400R boasts sport bike aesthetics that mirror the aggressive styling seen in its larger displacement siblings. With its dual headlights, sharp fairings, and race-inspired design, the Ninja 400R exudes a dynamic and athletic presence that resonates with riders looking for a sport-oriented motorcycle. Kawasaki's meticulous attention to design ensures that the Ninja 400R not only provides an exhilarating riding experience but also makes a bold statement on the road. 2. Potent parallel twin engine for spirited performance. At the heart of the Ninja 400R lies a potent 399 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, offering a perfect balance of accessible power and spirited performance. Kawasaki's engine design emphasizes smooth power delivery, making it an excellent choice for beginners looking to build confidence while experiencing the thrill of sport bike riding. The Ninja 400R's engine provides enough performance for urban commuting, highway cruising, and spirited rides, offering a dynamic platform for riders to explore the capabilities of a sport-oriented motorcycle. 3. Lightweight chassis for agile handling. Designed for agile handling, the Kawasaki Ninja 400R features a lightweight chassis that contributes to its responsive and nimble characteristics. The bike's compact dimensions and sport-tuned suspension make it easy for beginners to maneuver through city traffic and carve through corners with confidence. The Ninja 400R's lightweight design enhances its approachability, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and enjoy the thrill of sport bike handling. 4. Comfortable riding ergonomics. Crafted for comfortable riding, the Ninja 400R features a rider-friendly ergonomic setup. The bike offers a sporty yet manageable seating position, mid-mounted foot controls, and clip-on handlebars, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Kawasaki's commitment to rider comfort makes the Ninja 400R not only a high-performance machine but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting and dynamic rides. 5. Integration of modern features. The 2024 Ninja 400R seamlessly integrates modern features to enhance the overall riding experience. Full LED lighting, a digital instrument cluster, and optional rider aids add contemporary functionality without compromising the Ninja 400R's sporty character. Kawasaki ensures that the Ninja 400R remains technologically relevant, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of dynamic styling with modern conveniences. Conclusion. The 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 400R stands as a global icon of entry-level sport bike excellence, securing its position as one of the best first motorcycles for beginners. Its sporty design, potent parallel twin engine, lightweight chassis, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of modern features make it an unrivaled choice for riders venturing into the world of motorcycling. Whether mastering the basics, carving through twisty roads, or experiencing the thrill of sport-oriented riding, the Ninja 400R encapsulates the spirit of Kawasaki's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of entry-level sport bike excellence. As a symbol of confidence-building, dynamic ride,